Alright, boys and girls, so this next video is just going to go over the activities in lesson 3. So you're going to make sure that you are on lesson 3. If you're watching this video, you should have already done the practice to the half-hour video and then did the activity that goes along with it. What you're going to do for this first activity, very easily, you're going to just watch this YouTube video, so press the play button when it's available to you. Make sure you're always pressing the done button. Don't forget to do that. The first game you're going to play is called Clock Shoot. You've already played a game very similar to this, except you're going to go in here and do a different level. So level 1 practices time to the hour, which we've already done. And now you're going to do level 2, practicing time to the half hour. You can pick which mode you'd like to play, if you'd like to do a timed game or a more relaxed game. And then you get the slow clocks or the fast clocks. So I've showed you the slow, so I just kind of wanted to show you the fast clocks. They're moving a little quicker. You're going to have to be able to read the clock on your mouse first and then do that quickly. Okay, so it's going to review some of the skills as well. So that's the first activity. The next activity is Splash Math, and you're going to do level 2 on this one as well, and that will get you to the half-hour games. So the first one we did was the analog clock. This one right here is telling time to the hour, and for this lesson you're going to do telling time to the half hour. You can go back and always review these other games, but this is the one for this activity, so make sure you play all 3 of those. Okay. The next activity is telling time to the half-hour quiz. You go ahead and click that first one, and it's going to just do another little quiz for you. We've done this before, so it should be very similar. You listen to the sound, it reads this to you, read the clock, and then you're going to find the correct answer. So when you click it, make sure you press the green button, and it'll continue to go through. Okay, so we're going to go on to the next activity. This is an assessment. Again, make sure you're pressing done on all these. We've already done one like this as well, so this should be very similar. How do you do it? But remember, this one is to the half hour. So what you do is you click on the correct answer, bring it to the blank screen there, and make sure you go through all of these. This will automatically get sent to me, so I will see who has completed it, and I will let you know how you do on this activity. There's your first answer. It is 9:30. The next video, the next activity is the middle of this unit, the midpoint assessment. So again, it's going to be a little quiz. I'm going to check this. You're going to come in here, what's your first and last name? You're going to type your name, and then you'll see clock, and you're just going to click the correct answer. Okay, so you're going to go through all of these, answer them. They will get sent to me. And this is going to be kind of like your little checkpoint. If you do a great job on this, I know you're ready to continue and move on. If not, I might have you go back and practice some different skills, and I will let you know as that goes. Okay, so this is lesson 3. Make sure you complete all of the activities, and remember, this is telling time to the half hour.